Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the characteristics of good research and discuss important aspects to consider when conducting a study. Understanding these research characteristics is essential for ensuring the integrity and reliability of your findings. So, let's dive right in. To begin, let's discuss the key characteristics of good research. These characteristics include objectivity, reliability, validity, accuracy, credibility, generalizability, empirical nature, systematic approach, controlled factors, cyclical nature, logical reasoning, and replicability. Each characteristic plays a vital role in conducting high-quality research. First, we have objectivity. Good research is objective, meaning it is conducted without bias or personal preferences. Objectivity ensures that the researcher remains neutral and unbiased throughout the study, allowing for a more accurate interpretation of the data. Next, we have reliability. Good research is reliable, meaning it produces consistent and verifiable results. Reliability ensures that the study can be replicated by other researchers using the same methods and procedures, leading to consistent outcomes. Validity is another crucial characteristic of good research. It refers to the accuracy and soundness of the research procedure, instrument, or test. Validity ensures that the study is free from systematic errors and accurately measures what it intends to measure. There are various types of validity, such as internal validity, external validity, face validity, content validity, uniform validity, and construct validity, each addressing specific aspects of the research design. Accuracy is an important characteristic in research. It refers to the precision and correctness of the research process, tools, and methods used. Accuracy ensures that the data collected and analyzed are reliable and trustworthy, contributing to the overall quality of the research. Credibility is another vital characteristic. Good research strives to maintain credibility by using the best sources, employing rigorous procedures, and referencing well-established and reputable references. Credibility adds weight and trustworthiness to the research findings. Generalizability is the characteristic that allows research findings to be applied to a larger population beyond the immediate study sample. Good research aims for generalizability, ensuring that the conclusions drawn can be reasonably extended to a broader context or population. Empirical research is characterized by its realistic and experiential nature. It involves direct observation or experience of phenomena to gather data and draw conclusions. Empirical research provides a solid foundation based on real-world evidence. Good research follows a systematic approach. It involves clear procedures and well-defined steps to ensure consistency and reliability throughout the research process. A systematic approach allows for better organization and understanding of the research study. In some research fields, controlling factors is a crucial characteristic. Controlled factors refer to variables or elements that the researcher can manipulate or control during the study. However, it's important to note that controlling factors is not always feasible in social science studies due to the complex nature of human behavior and social phenomena. The cyclical nature of research is another characteristic to consider. Research often begins with identifying problems or research questions, progresses through data collection and analysis, and ends with addressing the initial problems or questions. This cyclical nature allows for a continuous improvement and refinement of the research process. Logical reasoning guides good research. It ensures that the research design, data analysis, and interpretation of results are guided by the principles of logic, rationality, and sound reasoning. Logical reasoning strengthens the validity and credibility of the research. Lastly, good research is replicable. Replicability means that the study can be verified by other researchers who can replicate the research process and obtain similar results. Replicability enhances the reliability and trustworthiness of the research findings. Now, let's discuss some important things to avoid for conducting good research. These include avoiding fabrication, false respondents, plagiarism, misuse of funds, and staying free from subjectivity, which includes personal biases, values, and norms. Adhering to these principles ensures the integrity and ethical conduct of research. In conclusion, good research is characterized by objectivity, reliability, validity, accuracy, credibility, generalizability, empirical nature, a systematic approach, controlled factors, where applicable, cyclical nature, logical reasoning, and replicability. By embracing these characteristics and avoiding common pitfalls, researchers can conduct meaningful and impactful studies that contribute to the advancement of knowledge. If you're interested in learning more about conducting good research and enhancing your research skills, we recommend exploring research methodology textbooks, academic journals, and online resources dedicated to research ethics and best practices. These resources will provide you with further guidance and examples to improve your research endeavors. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this exploration of research characteristics and good research practices informative and useful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.